Hello and good morning. Today I want to present my activity report, um, which is to produce 1,000 product a month. My name is Faris Farhan, and I want to present you my activity report. This is my activity report. The title is I encountering 3D printer machine problem in URTF. The background of my project is my lecturer assigned me to produce 1,000 product unit per month. My project is a flower pot. The current condition is unable to achieve the target at least 42 units per day. Machine available in your RTF is not sufficient to produce my target per day, and then insufficient person in charge to operate the machine very well. And finally, the original design is too sophisticated. The analysis that I using, the method I using in my analysis is Ishikawa diagram. The main problem is the machine 3D printer in URTF. Firstly, we have insufficient machine, and then unable to left unsupervised. The machine is not high end, and lastly, the machine have defect. The second problem is the material. The material is not good, and then the material is run out of stock, and lastly, the material is too expensive. And then the manpower. The manpower is unskilled, and then we have insufficient manpower, and lastly, the manpower may absent on that day. And lastly, the method. The marking work. The method used in the process is wrong, which is they are not implement the work instruction sheet. The suggestion to improvement, goal and target to produce 1,000 unit per month, and then to achieve at least 42 unit per day in order to achieve 1,000 unit per month. And lastly, able to produce quality product at lower cost. My suggestion for improvement: firstly, for a sufficient machine, I've done some calculation, and my solution is to increase the machine up to 50 machine, which is currently we have 10 machine, and then unable to left the machine unsupervised. We have to change the machine to more. We have to use the machine that can remotely controlled by cloud. Then machine have defect. Check the machine and determine to replace or maintain the machine. Then material is too expensive. The solution is use cheaper material. Another problem is material is run out of stock. The solution is be creative on using other necessary material. Last problem is unskilled manpower. My solution is to send manpower to 3D printing training. And lastly, wrong work instruction sheet. The solution is redo the correct work instruction sheet. For the unit per day calculation, how to get the calculation is unit per machine in 1 day equals to working hour times 60 and divide by cycle time. For the example, we have 24 days per month and 10 hour per day, so that 24 times 10 get 240 times times 16 divided by cycle time, which is 220 minutes, equals to 65 unit per machine. And how to calculate the shortage is that we target we need to produce 1,000 per month, but the shortage is 650. So 1,000 minus 650 equals to 350. And lastly, the machine needed to add calculation is 350, which is we get from shortage, divided by unit per machine. We get 5 machine we need. So that's all for my presentation. Thank you.